If you would like to transfer USDT from your Trust wallet to your bank account, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, there's no direct way that you can transfer your amount, but here is a workaround that you can do. Launch your Trust wallet application, get logged into your account, and then simply search for USDT. Once you do so, tap on this send button. At the section, you have to type in your address, and that address should be from your Binance or any Coinbase application that you have. I suggest you Binance because it is much easier. So simply go ahead, search for this USDT in your Binance, copy the address, and paste the address here. Once you do so, you have to also type in the amount. And once done, tap on next. At the next page, you will be able to simply withdraw the amount into your Binance, and from Binance, you can load it into your bank account. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.